making eggplant parmesan without the parmesan, but the idea is the same. This is my sauce, sort of like spaghetti sauce, but it's kind of rich with vegetables. It's got tomato, peppers, onions, and a little bit of eggplant, ground meat, salt, and pepper and oregano. So I put in some tomato paste and a bit of boiling water and mix that together for the sauce. So I cut up these big eggplants and I am soaking them in milk. I'll up about 4 eggs because I got a lot of eggplants here. I'm going to pour them over. Mix them up together. Just plain breadcrumbs, which is what I can get here. That's what that is, gelato uno. I need this to go a little farther. I'm going to season it and add some flour. So I'm going to add a little bit of paprika and some oregano and a bit of garlic powder and salt and pepper. Now I make seasoned breadcrumbs because I don't have such a thing here, and I just mix this all together. So yeah, there they go. I floured them, put the breadcrumbs, used egg and milk, put them over here. Now I'm frying an assembly line here. Just gotta watch them, turn them over. So put flour in here. Flour, breadcrumbs, oregano, and paprika, garlic. We're going to be famous with this recipe, right? All 300 people that watch me. Back again. And again. Here I am, guys. Check it out. So you got to turn them very quickly. They're getting nice and brown. And in the meantime, I'm doing the 2 things at the same time. And I put the breadcrumbs on here so I can just switch them and put another one in here, right? Yeah. My mom used to make this Italian dish, but I'm making it with Turkish ingredients. The sauce has been cooking a few hours, and it is just luscious. So what I do is put some, I just spoon it in here, and that way it doesn't stick to the bottom with a little olive oil. It's kind of like eggplant lasagna. I don't know, the dish is called eggplant parmesan. In fact, I don't have any parmesan, but I got some yummy Turkish cheeses that I'm going to use, so it looks like that. The flavor of eggplant, it's a bit pungent, and it's fried, and it's got a nice spicy crust. Got a big ladle. Ladled some sauce on top. Now I'm just going to put a bit of cheese on there, sprinkle it around, right? Okay, and then I repeat. Goodness here. My sauce with some bit of meat in it. Some eggplant. Or some parmesan. I'm mixing up my Turkish and English here. As I said, you just layer it the same way you would lasagna. And I made 2 of these. Stick it in the oven tomorrow. It's ready. Thanks, Lord. It's beautiful.